Hello everyone, welcome to Teks Academy. Myself Sheikh Noman and I am a civil facilitator. So today we are going to learn about BIM or Building Information Modeling. What is BIM? BIM is a process supported by various tools, technologies and contracts for generating the management of the digital representation of physical and functional characteristic of places like buildings, houses, etc. The concept of BIM has been placed since 1970s. The development of ArchiCAD is the one of the most popular BIM software. It began in 1982. It was made by Gebord. The major difference to consider in CAD and BIM is 2D as well as 3D. 2D CAD is easy and this BIM is a moderate. For executing this BIM software, we are using Revit software. In Revit, we are having families. Families is nothing but tools like sofa, windows, different types of elements is being placed in your respective projects. So this, when you open the Revit, you will find this kind of user interface. For creating the models, you're having for existing open file. For new, there is an option new. For families, for existing families provided by the Revit, you will find a path on in that there are the different types of families provided by the Revit. In this, if we just have a look of the families which is provided by the Revit, which is parametric families, just you follow this path which I am showing on the screen. See, you will find that each and everything like columns, doors, furniture, all the structural components, MEP components, you will find at a one platform. So for creating a new family, press on new, then open the template. There are two different types of templates. One is imperial, other one is metric. So metric means millimeter, meter, and imperial means feet and inches. I'll choose with the imperial template. In that, the common and the general is generic model. So I'll choose the generic model, say open. So automatically, if you're having the older version of the families or libraries which you are using or templates, and you're having the latest version of the software, so it will automatically get upgraded. After opening this family template, you will find a different kind of user interface on your screen. Let's have a look. This is a file tab. In this, for opening the new file, project, family, and the rest of the things which are required. In open, existing projects, save, save as, you can save idea cloud, which is provided by the Autodesk, save as a project, save as a family, save as a template. You can create your own template. Like if my name is Noman, so I can create my name template in the Revit software. You can create the libraries. You can export to these are the formats like CAD format, DWX, DWFX format, family types, FBX, IFC format. So many formats are provided by the Revit. And very last is print. Now, here you will find an options. So in options, there are some settings. How much time, general settings like till how much time at time interval you have to keep the screen awake. And in the graphics, you will find if the background is white, the selection key will come in the blue color. Pre-selection also is a blue color. If you are just while drawing, some errors may take place, so it will highlight in the orange color. For calculating some things, it will display you in the cyan color. Temperature, the dimension appearance size is 8. It's by default provided by the Revit. Background will be transparent. If you want to change the background, if I'm selecting the black background, so you can see after applying these settings, you will see a black background has been taken place on my screen. Now, this is the project property browser. This is project browser. And this is the work plane. And this is a ribbon in which your drawing tools are there. The very first is extrusion. With the extrusion is nothing but creating a 2D drawing into a 3D. At the same time, you can see the 2D drawing into 3D. So let's have a look how this extrusion works. We'll create some parametric families. Parametric families means giving the dimension to the particular element which you are creating in your software. It will be helpful for you. In future, if you are working on some project, you can just load it from your families, whatever the path you have saved, you just load that element which you have prepared in your families. So select the rectangle. This is your reference plane. So if I want to draw one table, so give the some dimension. The thickness of table should be 20 mm. After that, finish it using your DI dimension tool. Just calculate the dimensions. You can see these dimensions are not perfect. So give them the proper dimensions. I'll give this as a 3 feet, accurate 3 feet. And this will be 5 feet. Or you can change it 6 feet. After that, after using this, give the parameters. First, give the length. I'm just giving the shortcut L. And for the width, give the W. W. Say OK. Then come to your front plane. Give the height of the table using your reference plane. Use the pick line method. Use offset of 4 feet. After using the offset of 4 feet, just use this reference and just click on this. Give a name as a reference plane. Enter. Now again, draw one more reference plane. Give the offset 20 mm. After that, just simply give the offset here. Select your table, drag it till here. After dragging this, use your dimension tool, DI. Give the dimension of the height. Select the dimension, give the parameters as a, give it name as a H and say OK. Then come to your reference plane, create the legs of the table using your extrusion tool. Select the rectangle. If you have to give the reference plane for perfect dimensions, you can give the code. Give the reference plane, so which will help for you. After creating this reference plane, simply just you need to give the parameters using your DI. First, give the dimensions. After giving the dimensions, simply you need to select all the dimensions holding your shift or control button. Select all the dimensions. Give a name as a leg, table legs. After doing this, come to this family types and give the value of 3 inches, say apply. Say OK. Adjust it. Using your arrow keys, just adjust it. Now select the extrusion, draw one rectangle, draw all the 4 rectangles. Say finish. Then come to the front view, drag it, just come to the 3D view. You will find table has been ready. This is how you can create the parametric families. Just join this table using the join tool. Make it fine. Delete the dimensions. No more required. Select it, apply some material on it. Create a new material, rename it, and give a name as a table. Do not forget to use as render appearance. Go to the asset browser, select the glass from your appearance library, select the glass. The blue glass, apply, say OK. Now you can apply the wood material to the legs. Create a new material, rename as a legs, and then go to asset browser, select the wood material, apply, OK. You can see it is joined because of that. All the materials has been changed. So till that time, stay connected and keep learning. Thank you.